This is the elevator at Cyert Hall, Carnegie Mellon University in Oakland, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. This is a Westinghouse elevator from the 80s. Type A columns and EPCO AE on the inside. Level B. Here's the indicator. LED down arrow. Here, level B. That dinger was probably out in the 90s. Level B. That's locked. Level 2 is locked, I think. Yeah. Alright, we'll go back. Okay, we'll go up to 1. Here, 1, that was an epic motor. And an epic dinner bell. Go back down to A. Done again. 88 phone, a little hard to open. Pretty basic old Westinghouse cab. Hospital size, this is from the 80s. EPCO AE fixtures. 2 is locked. We'll ring the bell. Again, did not want to ring that, and that's it.